So right off the bat, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H40 doesn't try too hard to look flashy. Yet somehow that understated design quietly sets the tone for what it actually delivers. And that's where things start getting interesting. At first glance, it's just another circular robot vacuum. But once it gets moving, you begin to notice how smoothly it navigates around furniture, almost like it already knows your home, which makes the whole cleaning process feel less mechanical and more intentional. And while it glides across different surfaces, switching from tiles to carpets without hesitation, the suction power quietly steps up in the background, which is something you don't immediately hear, but definitely see in the results. Dust, crumbs, even those tiny particles you didn't realize were there, all get picked up in a single pass, and that consistency is what makes it reliable over time rather than just impressive on day one. What also blends nicely into the experience is the smart mapping system, because instead of randomly bumping into things, it builds a layout of your space. And that means each cleaning cycle feels more efficient than the last. You can set zones, schedule sessions, and even control it remotely, which connects convenience with control in a way that feels natural rather than complicated. Battery life follows the same pattern of quiet efficiency, lasting long enough to handle most homes in one go. And when it does run low, it simply returns to its dock without making a fuss, then resumes where it left off, which keeps everything flowing without interruption. That continuity adds a subtle but important layer to the overall experience. And even though maintenance is something people often overlook, the H40 keeps it simple, with an easy-to-clean dustbin and accessible components, so you don't end up spending more time maintaining it than using it, which ties everything back to its core purpose. Then again, it's not about being perfect. It's about how all these small details connect together, because when they do, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H40 quietly proves that smart cleaning doesn't need to be complicated, it just needs to work. And somehow it leaves that thought lingering just as it disappears back into its dock. And that's it! So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!